Do it again, Leighton. Do the big laugh again.
Yeah, he cracked up.
You did.
You know what it was? It's the funny part of the Britannia. What did you think about the Britannia? You think we should play it over? What do you think? Yeah? I love the Britannia. Yeah, it does. Yeah, anything else? What's this one? Oh, this one's boring. This one's boring for the kids. What do we got next? Strauss?
Is this the Blue Danube? He had a great laugh. I wish I was recording it. Yeah, buddy.